Today, I'm going to show you a simple but powerful trick for hiding the tabs, address bar, and other distractions in Google Chrome. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn Chrome into a clean, full-screen experience, making it perfect for presentations, watching videos, using your browser like a kiosk, or simply keeping things focused. If you've ever wanted a fast way to make Chrome look uncluttered without switching extensions or complicated settings, this is the guide for you. Let's dive right in. You'll be amazed how easy this is. All you need is one quick keyboard shortcut, and the magic happens instantly. If you're on Windows, just press the F11 key on your keyboard. For Mac users, it's a slightly different combo. Hold down Control and Command, then tap the F key at the same time. Take a moment to do that now. As soon as you press the shortcut, Chrome immediately expands to fill your whole screen. Here's what's happening. Chrome isn't just maximizing its window, it's going full screen. Suddenly, all those extra elements at the top of your browser vanish. You won't see your open tabs, the address bar where you type URLs, the bookmarks bar you usually keep handy, or even the menu bar. It's like turning your browser into a blank canvas, letting the website you're viewing take center stage without any clutter. Why does this matter? Well, if you're watching a movie or YouTube video, adding full screen makes sure you're not distracted by notifications or tempted to switch tabs. It's perfect for live demos, especially when you're sharing your screen with an audience. Maybe you're at an event, using Chrome for a kiosk setup, which means you want people focused on the content, not poking around through tabs or the browser's settings. Even for regular browsing, sometimes a decluttered view just helps you concentrate on what's important. Now, you might notice that when Chrome is in full screen mode, some usual features become invisible. For a moment, you might wonder, where did my tabs go? How do I open a new one? Don't worry, this is normal and everything comes back as soon as you exit full screen. If you need access again, just use the same shortcut that got you here. On Windows, tap F11 once more. On Mac, press Control, Command, and F together again. The browser snaps back to its regular view with all your tabs, bars, and buttons right where you left them. A quick tip, if you're watching videos or giving presentations, I recommend entering full screen to keep your focus laser sharp and your audience's attention locked in. And if you're working in a kiosk mode, this keeps things secure by hiding the parts of Chrome that let you navigate away from the page. And that's all there is to it. With this little shortcut, you can toggle between a normal browsing experience and a distraction-free mode in seconds. If you have any questions or if there's another browser or trick you'd like to learn about, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to help out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.